The launch date of the upcoming Huawei's Mate 70 series is very near. Like, we are approximately 1 to 2 months away from the unveiling, and as the time passes, we are getting some more incredible details regarding the phone, and I think Huawei will make a big impact during the Mate 70 series launch because the company is working on so many different things. One of which is the InDisplay 3D face recognition system. Yes, a new rumor is indicating that Huawei could soon ditch the iconic 3 punch holes design in favor of InDisplay 3D face recognition system. A new piece of information implies that the company is testing an under-screen technology that might be used for future flagship smartphones. Vivo tipster Smart Pikachu says that Huawei has started testing an in-display 3D face recognition. The development of the new tech is underway, but as per the newest leak, it won't take much time to step into the mass production stage. Being an advanced level facial recognition method, the new tech will likely eliminate the need for a notch or 3 punch hole design for the Huawei smartphones. This is not it though. A new leak suggests that Huawei's Mate 70 series will likely use a powerful Kirin chip that might challenge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Dimensity 9400 power devices. Still, I don't understand how Huawei gonna achieve that kind of power because the company still lags when it comes to advanced smartphone chips. The tech world is running behind 2nm and the 3nm process. However, Huawei continues to struggle to develop even 5nm chipset due to a lack of appropriate chip making equipment. Again, there is one possibility to achieve that kind of speed is to properly enhance the software side of the phone with hardware. And here comes the use of the Huawei's Harmony OS Next. We all know that Huawei gonna showcase the Harmony OS Next in the Mate 70 series, and it will completely eliminate the use of Android APK files. So I guess by making the OS smooth, Huawei can get more power from the chipset. Moving on to the camera section, well, according to the latest news, Huawei could use Sony IMX989 along with a new sensor for the Mate 70 series flagship smartphones. The second camera sensor is currently a mystery, but as per some previous inputs, this could be a new invention from OmniVision Foundry. The Huawei P70 Ultra smartphone uses an IMX989 sensor with hybrid lens combination, and regarding the Mate 70 series, a rumor suggested that the next flagship could use a new 1-inch larger variable aperture camera with a hybrid lens. Yes, the combination of both. And I guess this combination will destroy the camera competitors in the smartphone industry. So yeah, as I told you earlier, the company is working on so many different things to make the phone appealing to its customers. Still, take all of these news with a pinch of salt because nothing is officially confirmed. Although, I know that the Mate 70 series would make the history because Huawei is silently working to show the world that they can do anything without depending on American tech. So what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, the story continues and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.